Coming soon on PBS, Hidden Hong Kong and the ancient art of birdcage making. This is Chan Lok Choi, also known as Master Chan, one of the last remaining birdcage craftsmen.
He's the only one here in Hong Kong still making this, unplugged by hand.
How long has it taken him just to get to this?
如果假設你要做幾耐啊
3個月啊。
？3 months.
Wow, for this. The cage is made entirely of bamboo, stripped down to size, and there's plenty more to go. So my first task was to pick up a knife and start trimming. Can I be an apprentice?
I believe so. I'm gonna ask him. 佢可唔可以做你徒弟啊？Oh, there you go.
I have my answer. Just part of what you'll see on Hidden Hong Kong.